Meaning of Epsom.
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 Epsom. Epsom is a town situated in Surrey, England. The name Epsom originated from the Old English word ipsum, which means place where horses are kept. This is because Epsom was historically known for its horse racing events and the production of Epsom salts, which were used to soothe racehorses' tired muscles. Today, Epsom is a bustling commuter town with a rich history and beautiful countryside surroundings. It offers various amenities, including shopping centers, parks, and cultural events, making it a popular residential area for families and professionals.